Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Borders City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 Ford Explorer Sport. The exterior color is red, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps and fog lamps. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. This 2015 Ford Explorer also comes with remote start and remote keyless entry. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior we have loads of driver friendly features including power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. As we move closer into the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right we have our hands-free media options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as AM, FM radio, Sirius satellite, CD player, USB, and Bluetooth stereo and line in. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, the gear shift, and a ton of storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2015 Ford Explorer Sport, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.